Hello my dear students, myself Rajkumar Kalia. After getting retired from my job in Bangalore, I have returned to my native. Here I am serving the students to upload the videos you can enjoy free, and in case of any doubt you can call me or you can send me WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 933 6492317. So I will solve it and send you back. Today I am going to teach you people prove geometrically sin A minus B equals sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Now first see how to draw the figure. Take an initial line OX. It's the beginning line OX. Rotate it to XOY such that this angle is A. XOY is A. Rotate it back to OZ such that angle YOZ is B. Thus this lower angle will come out to be A minus B. Like that you have to draw. Then on the final position, that is OZ, mark a point P. Mark a point P. From P, draw a perpendicular PM on OX. And from P, draw a perpendicular here. Better you put PQ, OMP, we are using the triangle. Here is P. Draw the figure carefully. PQ. From P, draw a perpendicular PM on OX. From P, draw a perpendicular PQ on OY. I mean this angle is of 90 degree. Then from Q, draw a perpendicular QL on OX, QR on MP produced. OX initial, OY with angle A, rotated back by angle B, so that angle XOZ equals A minus B. On the final position, that is OZ, draw a perpendicular OM on OX, PQ on OY. Then from Q, QN on OX, and Q to QR on MR produced. Q to QR on MR produced. So like that you can draw. Produced line you can draw dotted. This line we can draw dotted. So then you can write from the geometry of the figure. If this angle is A, From the geometry of the figure, this angle will come out to be A. So first I am going to solve sin A minus B equals sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B. See in this triangle, A with angle A minus B, that is OMP. This I am projecting outside. With angle A minus B. Sin is MP by OP. MP by OP. MP. MP can be written as MR minus RP. Put it as MR minus RP over OP. MR minus RP over OP. Then MR. Here I have MR. MR is not in any triangle. Side MR is not in any triangle, but it is between two parallels. So MR equals NQ. MR equals NQ. That we can write MR equals NQ minus RP over OQ, and we can write from the geometry of the figure of the figure MR equals NQ. Then put it as NQ by OP minus RP by OP. Then we can put it as NQ by OP minus RP by OP. I need sin A and I have NQ. I have NQ. That is, here it is the angle A. This total angle, bigger angle is of A. In triangle C, I am projecting it separately. Triangle O N Q. Here is angle A. This way. 90. At 10 it is of 90. Thus here it is hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. I need NQ divided by OQ to make it sine. OQ, so multiply by OQ. Now I need sine A. See the small triangle with A. That is P R Q. Here we have got angle A, 90 degree. Thus hypotenuse. There is angle A, thus perpendicular or opposite side. There it is base. I want now cos A, RP. See here, RP is base divided by hypotenuse, QP. So multiply by QP. Now thus see, you will get NQ by OQ. NQ by OQ. That is sine A perpendicular by hypotenuse, OQ by OP, OQ by OP, OQ. See here is OQ. That is, I am projecting this triangle also outside. Here I have an angle of 90, O, Q, P, and angle is of B. This angle is of B. OQ by OP, OQ. Base, hypotenuse, perpendicular. So base by hypotenuse, cos. Triangle is having angle B, thus it is cos B. See, all the triangles I have projected outside. Minus RP by QP. RP base, QP hypotenuse, cos A, QP by OP, QP perpendicular by, here it's QP by OP, QP base, OP hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. See this carefully. RP by QP. RP now see this QP by OP, QP perpendicular, OP hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse, sine. Thus we are getting sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. That is how I have proved. Now come to cos A minus B. Now see here, for cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. in triangle OMP, in triangle OMP, cos A minus B can be written as OM by OP. Cos A minus B can be written as OM by OP. OM. Now see here in the main figure, OM can be written as ON plus NP. Put it as ON plus NP by OP. You can see NP is not in any triangle, but it is between two parallels. Thus, NN equals QR. For NN, we can put QR. Thus, you can write from the geometry of the figure NN equals QR. Then put this denominator under the 2. ON by OP, QR by OP. Here I want to choose what the denominator should be. First I want cos A, OQ. So ON by OQ. In triangle A, ON is base, OQ is hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, thus it is cos A. OQ by OP. OQ is base and OP is hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, cos B. Similarly here QR by QP. QR in the small triangle, QR perpendicular, QP hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin A. QP by OP. QP, here it is QP, perpendicular by OP hypotenuse, which is sin B. Like that we can prove cos A minus B is a cos A cos B plus sin A sin. Now come to 10. Tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. In triangle OMP, tan A minus B can be written as perpendicular by base, or you can write it as sin A by cos A into directly. Can be written as, no need to consider the triangle, do it directly. Tan A minus B can be written as sin A minus B over cos A minus B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. sin A cos B over cos A cos B. Over cos A cos B minus cos A cos B cos A sin B, over cos A cos B cos A cos B by cos A cos B plus sin A sin B over cos A cos B. Can be written as cos A cos B we can cancel, sin A by cos A minus cos A cos A we can cancel, sin B by cos B cos A cos A cos B we can cancel 1, sin A by cos A sin B by cos B. So thus it can be written as tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So that is the identity. So that is the identity that tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. That's all about for these three identities. So learn these identities, see the figures properly. If you know the figures properly, then you can do it nicely. If you are not aware of the figure, it is difficult for you people to do it. And without doing that, it is difficult to complete the chapter. So at last, if you feel I am working for you people, free of cost, you can enjoy this video at home at any time, even in late hours. Whenever you are free, you can enjoy it. So I am helping you. So please help me by subscribing and putting the icon bell for the next video. And if you think it is good, then like it also. That's it today. Good night.